Today is gonna be National Hair Wash Day. Her hair needs to be washed, okay? Oh, well, hello. Happy. Are y'all happy? Happy Vlogmas Day 10. So, today is Wednesday, y'all. So, are y'all ready to get into it? Today is the day that I show you guys all the product, well, not products, but all the things that I got from Amazon. And then I have a sneak peek of, did I say today was Thursday? Today's not Thursday, today is Wednesday. I'm sorry if I said that. But I'm just gonna get into it. I hope you guys gonna enjoy this Vlogmas. This one ain't really gonna be that long, but I'm just gonna show you guys what I pick up. Well, what my arrivals from Amazon. I don't know why it took me so long to say something like that. And then another thing, you guys, now I announced that, let me get over here. I announced to y'all that on my other channel, Simply Black Vegan, I had 2,000 subscribers. And it's like, when I did that, you know what I noticed? There was a bunch of people, I'm gonna say maybe 10 people, that unsubscribed. Like, they didn't want me to get to, let me move this cord. They didn't want to, like, see me get to 2K subscribers on that channel. And I just thought that was really, really sad. And I wasn't going to touch on it, but it's like, I just have to say that people, we can be our own worst enemies. I don't make nobody watch my channel, ever. I just give it to y'all, what I have to give to y'all. And I don't do like over the top or anything, so you don't have to watch if you don't want to. Either channel. You don't have to watch this channel, you don't have to watch the food channel. It's just amazing to me how, I don't know, I support realness, I support fairness and all that jazz, but when it's stuff like that, it's just like, who would do that? But then I had to think again, who would not do that? Because there's a lot of people in your life, they're not really here for you. I think I'm just too far. I'm too far. I'm going to bring y'all down. Hold on a second. Yeah, there's a lot of people that's not really here for you. So it's to be expected. Hold on. Okay. I'm sorry to shake y'all. It's to be expected, but it was just like, I'm not going to say a big letdown. It was just very surprising to me. But you know what? Neither here or there. I'm just going to show y'all some stuff that I picked up. I got to bring y'all down again. Hold on. All right, guys. This should be better. I'm trying to slide this stuff over. Do y'all know what, too? There was a lady, somebody messaged me on my channel and was like, this is more like a credenza. Oh, y'all haven't seen it. Do y'all see it? She's so pretty sitting there. So I was wondering, should I put Big Bertha in my office and take my ZZ plant and put it in my bedroom, and that way I can slide this over a little bit more. But this is a credenza. The console, I kept saying console. Console is actually the table that I sold. That's a console table. I had to remember, Sonia, that is not a console table. That is a credenza. Thank you for letting me know that. I can't remember your name, but thank you. I remember reading the comment. So y'all, the first thing I'm going to show y'all, this is what I picked up today. Now, I already know somebody's going to probably try to come for me, because it seems like a lot of people don't be at peace unless they're coming for you. I'm just being honest. Unless you come for someone, you don't really, like, I don't know, maybe, I don't know why people do what they do. I'm just going to say that. But anyway, I know I mentioned to you guys that I wasn't going to buy any more perfume. But in some circumstances, in some instances, I don't know. Okay. Anyway, I bought one today and I couldn't help it because of, you're going to understand when you see it, I think. Y'all let me know right here. Do you understand when you see it? But anyway, y'all go to Roses, because y'all know I've been picking up roses since from Roses. I paid $2.91 for this, okay? I'm going to show you how much it was. Can y'all see that? Because I gave her a $20 bill. Okay, Don't mind the nails because the nails, they keep breaking off. I don't know what's going on with that. But let me just show y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna bring y'all down some. Let me show y'all this beautiful, beautiful fragrance and the box. And you probably understand. This is the box. That's what it looks like. It has this real pretty like print on there. That is beautiful. And this smells so good, y'all. So good. The fragrance, it says that it has, because on the bottle it'll tell you. It'll tell you right here. If you guys can see that. That is those are the notes. Y'all see that right here? Those are the notes. This smells super, super duper good. This smells so good. Look at this bottle. Now do y'all understand why she does that? Oh my God. I was just at, where was I at? Sam's Club looking at the fragrances and seeing what they had on sale. This smells so good. I'm so sorry. Trying to find a little, oh my gosh. Y'all, this smells so, so good. Oh my God, I'll put the notes on here. It smells so good. But this is what I picked up, y'all. I think this will be perfect on my little stand, but this is so super nice. Like I said, Wednesdays they have discount days and it'd be like 10% off, so go ahead and check it out. So guys, I gonna go ahead and open this first box with y'all, okay? Now I should have bought something in here to open this, but I didn't. Let me see if I can use my nail. Uh-oh. I'm just not gonna do it. I didn't want to go and get no scissors. Let's see if this works. Hold on 1 second, y'all. Everything was so timely because I ordered stuff on, I think it was this past Sunday. And it got here early. Oh my God, it's my cook, y'all. I will be putting this together. And I think I need a cord for this. I think it told me I needed a cord. But I told y'all that's what I was looking for. And that is why they put this thing on here on the box, because it can like do damage. It's LED. So yeah. Let me see, I'm trying to open it for y'all without messing up the box. There's tape on here. I was gonna say something about my nails, but use your nails, but I'm tired of, I'm already disgusted with these nails anyway, from popping off every time you turn around. Oh my God, y'all, wait a minute, oh boy. Every time you want to show something. Okay, anyway, it's like this. I'll just put on the screen what it looked like once I get it open. The next thing I end up getting, y'all, was my knife set. I can't wait to use this beauty right here. Now this one seems a little easier to open, so we're gonna open it. Dang, everything is so tight and stuff. Oh my God, y'all. Jesus, hold on. Why is everything like this? Okay, good God almighty. Real time. Okay, I like how they got this. Ooh, this is bigger than what I thought. Oh my gosh, this is bigger than what I thought. Look at this. This is beautiful. I kept wondering why was it so, well, yeah, it's kind of expensive, but this is the thing that you take. Oh, I can't do it. Anyway, y'all, everything is just so tight. I don't know what's going on. I'm just gonna show y'all the knives and stuff. And then today, like I said, I'm gonna wash my hair and get that over with. But I wanted to show you guys. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. This is so pretty. This reminds me of my set that I bought. So this is what it looks like, y'all. And I think it says, no, it doesn't say anything on there. But this is so pretty. You see that? So this is what I got, y'all. So I wanted to share that with y'all. And then maybe I'll give you guys a sneak peek of the back room real quick so you can see how that turned out. I am surprised at how big this is. Do y'all see how big that is? Look at that. It's really big, but this is really nice, real nice. And if you want to know, it was $20 it came up to $22. I think before it was gonna be like almost $30. So you guys will be seeing this pretty soon, okay? And I'm gonna take y'all in the back, let y'all see how the back turned out, and then we are going to get ready to wash this hair for the day. So hold the line, y'all. All right, guys, I'm gonna show you the room and y'all give me y'all honest opinion. I know I did do like a little cameo in the last Vlogmas you probably seen, but I just wanted y'all to show y'all in real time what it looks like, and just tell me, you know, what do you think? And then too, I don't know, what else you guys wanna see? I only have a few more days left. I think I got like 10 more days left, and I don't have a lot to do, y'all. I don't do a lot, but just regular day stuff. So let's go take a look at this space, okay? All right, y'all, here we go. And I absolutely love it. Like I said, it's super gloomy here. I know it looks like it is daylight outside, but it's so gloomy. So I hope this lighting does it well. But what I did was, y'all, I put the 2 chairs cat a corner like this. This room is really, really big. So it's only so much I can do with it. I don't want to bring or buy any more furniture pieces. I don't. I mean, unless I can find me a chair like this, it got to be like $5, okay? I'm just saying, the chair would have to be like $5 for me to buy it and bring it home. But I just did that. I also put the photos here. Y'all, I love these candlesticks. These are my faves. So I put those there. I bought my massive Monstera plant over here. And then I love this vase. So I put it on the floor with these big, these are some large, these are large pampas grass, and I don't want to get rid of them. So I put those there. And yeah, guys, I really like the space. I like it. It's just, like I said, it's super, super roomy. So it's just, it is what it is. And then here's the rug. I just vacuumed in here and everything. So yeah, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get myself together, get ready to find me something to eat, and I'm going to wash my hair. All right. I'm going to end this video out with showing y'all this stuff so you can see it better. This is the perfume, and I'm showing y'all that it does say parfum. See that? That's what it looked like. This is so nice, y'all. So nice. Sorry for the glare. Oh gosh, it's so pretty. And if you want to know for real, that is what I paid for it. Do y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Okay. $2.91. Let me show y'all my clock. So you guys see the clock? Let me plug it up to show you what it looked like. Uh-oh, I don't want to touch my salad. Look at that, ain't that pretty? And then this is a mirror behind it. It's a mirror. So you guys will see once I set it all up. Okay? And then here is my beautiful knife set. I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh gosh. Yeah, I didn't realize it was that big, but perfect. Look at that. Perfect. That's where the shears go. So let me show y'all real quick. So you open up the box, and here is everything. So like the shears, here's the shears. Let me show y'all this beautiful knife. Hold on, y'all. I ain't trying to tear the place down now. Look at this knife, y'all. This is so nice. Let me see. Let me be careful. Be careful, Sonia. So pretty. And it has a little thing on there that's gonna come off, but that's what it looks like, y'all. And it matches my Karut set. But all you would do is you just push this. You take these and you slide it in between what you want, and then they stack up like that, just like on the box. Beautiful. So just imagine, y'all, when I put that over here. Oh, I'm so happy. But anyway, I made my salad. Look, y'all, hold on. I got too much going on over here. I made my salad here. Can y'all see it? Salad is made right here. I'm gonna put some garlic on it, but I'm gonna close out this video with washing my hair, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed me today, and I'll see y'all when I get ready to wash my hair, okay?